Hi everyone, welcome to this special unboxing from the Herb Witch shop. Now this is a package that I ordered, so let's see what's inside. Yes, I open only the top because scissor and me doesn't work well together. So let's see what's inside. Okay, first is smells good. Smells really good. I think this is the, I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. It's what I think it is. Smells good though. And if I'm right, it should be let's see the other one just to be sure. Okay, oops. Yes, this is it. These are some juniper that I ordered, and I know that she picked them with her family, and I think it was at her mother's house. So I know they're very harvested, and uh, she did it with her family, so that's great. So this is it for the juniper. Let's see what's next. Okay. Oh. Okay. So this one is offering for the Norns. Don't know if you can see it well. So these are incense. There you can see the mix. And let's see what it smells. Does look good. Smells great. Let's hope that you can see it. I don't know. Okay. So that's pretty. And this is something that I will use to work with the Norns. So I can't wait to try it. This is the second thing. And last but not least, let's put that together. This is the Cigarblot Victory Incense. Not sure. Okay. As you might know, it was Cigarblot or Victory Blot. Last Friday it was. It's an holiday that, oh wow, that lasts 3 days, and it's on the full moon. So wow. Oh, if you could just smell that. Look at that. Wow. And it smells so great. Wow. Basically what you do is you make a blot or an offering to Odin, and it's for a victory. Now usually it was the Vikings who did this for having victory in war. Since we don't have war per se, you can use this to thank Odin as an offering for any victories that you have. Can be small or big, it doesn't matter, but something that you did and you're proud and it's a victory for you. For example, you conquer a bad habit that you had, um, anything like that. Okay, so I will definitely use it today since it's Odin's Day, so I will do it today. And I forgot to mention this juniper, I have something special for them. I'm gonna use them as an offering to Sketty here from, this one is from the, a talisman from the Ulsweister Craftsman. So I'm gonna use them as an offering and a blessing. And here I have some snow because yes, we had some snow. So I'm gonna use all of that to offer to Sketty, and I hope that she will definitely like it. Oh, and this is her card. You're welcome and thank you, Evelyn. I appreciate it. There's a little something wrote in the back, but you know what it is. Thank you. I will definitely use it, and I know what to do with them. So please check her out and all of her product. She harvests them, and she's of course from the pagan and Ethan. But please check her out and buy a little something. I'm sure you will find something that you like. So thank you for joining me, and I wish you all a happy day. Thank you, Evelyn. Thank you, the Herb Witch Shop. I will put the link down below. Thank you.